This tutorial is on how to use the Expenses tab. So it's right here on your left bar. And this section includes a number of specific information fields where you record expenses and report it to your manager. So in this section, the expenditures for which you are asking for reimbursement for yourself or the company will be added. So examples of when you would use this is expense description. So for example, lunch with a customer, for a product that was purchased, for a quantity of items that were purchased, etc., etc. For more information, you can look at your department manuals and what are legitimate expenses that you can submit here. So click create, and you can add a description, add a product, add a unit price, add quantity, and fill in the rest of the information, add a note, and then click submit to manager. After you submit it, it will be reported and it will be taken up by your manager. And then make sure you click save.